Start by removing the 2 tags on the back. After that, gently attach air bar to the bottom bezel, then press gently above the magnet points. Remove air bar and press on the magnets a bit harder to fixate them. That's it! Now you can attach and detach air bar again and again without hassle, and it will be perfectly aligned and centered every time, thanks to the magnets that remain below your screen. And don't worry, you will still be able to close your notebook without any problems. Now that air bar is set up, start your computer running Windows 10. Attach air bar and plug the USB connector into the notebook. You now have touch. Pinch, roll, sweep, and have fun.
Hi, I'm Marianella for the new Simple on Amazon.com. You're cruising, your stereo sounds great. Now you're at highway speeds, but wait, did the speed limit just change? Not knowing could cost you a bundle. Ticket, insurance, defensive driving, court. In many cases, a single speeding ticket more than justifies the cost of a radar detector, an electronic friend that can remind you to stay under the speed limit. Yes, they detect X, K, Ka, and Ku radar bands, but many also have built-in GPS that knows where you are, the local speed limit, and warns you visually and audibly if you're over it. Example, the Escort Passport 9500 iX. It's packed with high-tech features like Auto Learn, which recognizes and remembers false radar alerts. And it comes loaded with a North America database of speed traps and red light camera locations. Bingo! It's also social. That's right. Several Escort and Beltronics radar detectors can now take advantage of Escort Live, a new radar service that allows detectors to share information in real time. Simply add the SmartCord bundle, download the app to your phone, and get instant access to the most powerful radar network imaginable. With features like these, this high-tech friend will keep you driving safe and save you money. You want to stay safe? Check out the rest of our videos.
Garages are one of the most accessed rooms of your home. We know that you already have a garage door opener, probably the same one your grandparents owned, but not one that is integrated with your high-tech or technology-driven lifestyle. This will not only save you from the clutter of having another device, but also bring great convenience to your life, allowing all family members to easily access your garage. Keep in mind that garages are one of the most accessed rooms of your home. Instead of paying $30 to $40 per garage door remote, you can have as many garage door openers as the smartphones in your household at no additional expense once you own Open Sesame. Open Sesame is very easy to set up and fun to use. Let's have a closer look. Download the app from iTunes App Store or Google Play to your smartphone. Hold Open Sesame next to your mobile phone. Connect Open Sesame to your garage door's control box by tying its wires to the matching colored wires on the control box. Open Sesame can function up to 100 feet. With its long battery life, once it's set up, it will be a seamless part of your daily life.
Okay, you got time right here. It's a laundry bag, but it's like a big old Rocky type punching bag, right? So what you do, take your laundry, right? You throw your little stuff in there.
I love that tune.
You like that? You like that? Then you take the little thing with the deal, right? You hook it all up. And then they give you a little S hook, and then you can hang this puppy up, and as it gets heavier, right? Say something.
Oh, man.
Say what again? What'd you say about my mom? Right?
Ooh.
Right. Julian, that's not a very hard punch. Okay, so that's the idea behind this thing. I just think it's so cute.
Yeah, it is cool.
Isn't it cool?
Yeah.
This one is from our good friends over at Suck UK. You can get it online. It's 30 pounds, which translates for us, 20 pounds. Translates for us about $30.50-ish. Okay? All right.
Nice,
Now,
I like that.
let's see.
Pogo sticks always had potential to be a lot of fun growing up, but the technology just wasn't good enough to let us do what we really wanted. Back in 1997, we set out to turn pogo sticks into a whole new sport. Our concept was based on the idea of having a portable trampoline, something you can jump 3, 6, or even 10 feet high on, but also take anywhere you want to go. The V4 is the portable trampoline we'd always dreamed of. With the V4, you have the ability to add or remove air and completely change the stiffness of the bounce. Someone who weighs 300 pounds can jump on the same exact V4 as someone who only weighs 80 pounds. All you need to do is change the air pressure. In less than a minute, you can perfectly tune the V4 to each rider's preferences, pumping more air in to jump higher and taking air out to jump lower. This makes sharing it with friends and family a fun-filled experience that everyone can enjoy. You can also collapse the V4 to make transportation a breeze. Whether you're a pro or just stepping onto the V4 for the very first time, you'll love the weightless, flight-like experience. You'll get the basics in minutes, and from that point on, there's no limit to how far you can challenge yourself. With the V4, you'll be able to jump up onto ledges, down stairs, and over gaps of all sizes while nailing down some pretty awesome tricks. After playing around on the V4, you'll never look at your surroundings in the same way again. Obstacles and features that are too high for bikes and skateboards are perfect for the V4. For those of you looking for a fun way to stay in shape, the V4 will work most of the muscle groups in your body and get your heart pounding immediately. It's a killer cardio workout, and the best part is that while you're having fun bouncing around, you won't even realize how quickly you build a sweat. In order to achieve superior build quality and maintain the high tolerances necessary for the V4 to work, we manufacture and assemble it right here in our Southern California shop. We work closely with our suppliers to become a part of the build process, and as each component is made, we're right there to test them. This streamlines our manufacturing and ensures that every V4 we make is up to our standards. If you're looking for the portable trampoline that we always dreamed of, the V4 is going to knock your socks off. Whether you want to use it simply for exercise or to jump 8 feet high and do crazy tricks on is up to you. And we know you'll love every second of it. Join us and help change the way pogo sticks are seen forever.
Break out from the ordinary with the Inventions electric wine opener gun. This sleek, fun design will complement any home bar and delight all of your guests. Simply pull the trigger to remove the cork from the bottle. The wine opener will automatically stop once the cork is fully removed. Then push the trigger forward to extract the cork from the barrel of the gun. Be a boss at your next gathering when you whip out the wine gun to open that vintage cab. The Inventions powered wine opener comes with a rechargeable holster. Be trigger happy as it will uncork over 30 bottles on a single charge. Each product comes with a wall charger, adapter, and foil cutter to remove labels quickly and easily. The wine gun comes in 2 different styles, simulated steel and firearm pink. Embrace the fun with Inventions electric wine opener. Go ahead and pop one off today.